Hi everybody, Matthias here. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to find part 2 on a TikTok video, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my TikTok app. And now when I'm on my TikTok app, then what I'm going to do is to just find a random video to demonstrate. So I'm going to take this one right here actually, and let's say that I actually want to find part 2 to this specific video. Then what I need to do is to click on the comment section, so where you can comment basically, so click there. And in here you should be able to see where it says part 2, as you can see. So if I click there, then actually this is a part 2 to that video. So quite often part 2 will actually be in the comment section, and if you are not able to see part 2 in the comment section, then quite often the creator of the video will actually give you details on how to find part 2. Maybe it's somewhere on their TikTok profile basically. So this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.